Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Harsh and today we are going to continue this 50 SQL challenge over here. So without any further ado, let's get beginning. Hope my screen visible to all of you. So we got the problem of the day called find customer referee. This problem is also of easy type and we will be having a table called customer inside it. A table customer that includes three columns: ID of integer type value, name of varchar type, and referee ID of integer type. Here, ID is the primary key column for this table. That means all the value inside the ID will be unique and not null. Each row of this table indicates the ID of a customer, their name, and the ID of the customer who referred them. All right. Let's see today what we need to do with the given table. We need to find the name of the customer that are either referred by any customer whose ID not equal to 2 or not referred by any customer. Return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. Let's see the whole problem statement with the help of given example. We are having a customer table including three columns inside it: ID, name, and refer ID. As you can see, all the value inside the ID itself are nothing but unique and not null. Okay, and refer ID could be any ID or even null value, which we don't know as a user. All right. Now let's see what we need to find out from here. As per the statement, we just need to find the names of the customer whose ID, whose refer ID might not equal to 2. Okay. So let's go over here and find the name of those customers whose refer ID not equal to 2. So can we say null? Null. We are not sure about it, right? Because null means unknown value. We are not sure whether it's 1, 2, or any value, right? But we are sure about Alex. Alex is having a referred ID 2. That means we are not supposed to consider Alex here. Again, null, I'm not sure. So let's pass it to the next one. 1. What do you think? 1 is considerable? For sure. 1 is considerable. And Mark. Again, Marks is referred by the ID number 2. So we are not supposed to consider it. Okay. So as per the very first condition, we can consider null, 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 and 1. That means Will, Zane, Bill, and Jack. Okay. But still we have a problem. We are not sure these null value are 2 inside it or not. So let's see what is the other case. Either referred by any customer ID not equal to 2 or not referred by any customer. So can we say null meaning nobody referred them? Null meaning nobody referred them, right? So as per the second case, null is perfectly suiting it, right? Null meaning the name of those customer who are never referred by any customer. So as from the first condition, we can consider we got the Zake name. And from the second condition, we got Will, Zane, and Bill, right? Does it make sense? And now let's see what we are getting in the output. We are getting the same thing. Will, Zane, Bill, Jack. Will, Zane, Bill, Jack, right? So we just need to follow the same thing, the same two conditions which we have given over the problem statement. Now let's see how we can use the same theoretical example over the world of programming. So let's go to the code editor and start writing our SQL query. So today, I just need to select the name from the customer table where The very first case itself states, let's say referee ID not equal to 2. Consider all the refer ID which is not equal to 2, right? And at the same time, if any ID is unknown, which means if referee ID is null, we need to consider it, right? Do we need to consider these two cases? Refer ID not equal to 2, consider it. If refer ID is null, because we don't know, we need to consider it. Let's see, are we getting the correct desired solution which we want from this query or not? Okay, I think some type error. Let me do it one more time. Perfect. And here we go. Can you see, just with the help of two conditional statements, if where and or, we are able to understand how we can even look over the condition that is looking for a pattern along with a certain value, right? Here, null is not a value, it's a pattern. Unknown value, which we need to understand with the help of matching the pattern, right? So that's how we can solve this second query from the 56 query challenge. Hope you like the video. So let's enjoy and keep practicing.